What's up, guys? The Ford Ranger runs a 5-foot bed, and that limited real estate means your storage solution has to actually earn its spot. Whether you need something locked down in the bed, a system that transforms how you access your gear, or a portable box you can roll anywhere, this list covers all of it. Links to every product are down in the video description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5 with VEVOR. Your no-frills, budget-friendly crossover pick. 48 inches wide, with room for buckets, tools, fire extinguishers, and more. The gas strut opens the lid to 110 degrees and holds it there hands-free. Wide handles stay comfortable even with gloves on in the cold. The overhanging lid creates a tight seal against rain and snow. Stainless steel lock with 2 keys keeps things secure. Double powder coat fights rust. Also works as a standalone garage storage box when it's off the truck. Does exactly what it promises. At number 4, Decked built their drawer system specifically for the Ranger's 5-foot bed. Not a one-size-fits-all unit shoehorned in. A full-length drawer slides out from the tailgate, so every tool is within arm's reach without climbing in. The flat deck on top still handles up to 1,000 pounds of cargo. Weatherproof seals handle car washes and trail dust. Made in the USA from recycled materials, backed by a lifetime guarantee. Comes loaded with organizer accessories out of the box. The setup for Ranger owners who want to work smarter, not harder. Number 3 goes to UWS with 7.3 cubic feet of storage in a crossover box that's built to last. The foam-filled lid won't warp or bind after years of daily use. Self-opening struts hold it to a full 90 degrees when your hands are full. A micro-seal gasket seals out moisture, dust, and insects. Stainless steel paddle handles, 3-compartment sliding tool tray, built-in screwdriver holders, low-profile design that keeps your rear window view clear. Assembled in the USA. The most refined traditional crossover box on this list. Coming in at number 2, the Duha Tote is the wild card on this list. It rolls on 4 wheels straight into the Ranger's bed and doubles as a fully legal gun case for up to 4 rifles or shotguns with scopes. 3 heavy-duty latches all work with standard padlocks. Weather-resistant sealed lid. 2 utility trays, removable dividers let you organize however you want. Roto-molded and made in the USA with a lifetime warranty. Pop it out of the truck and roll it wherever you need it. This thing goes where you go. And the top spot goes to the UnderCover SwingCase. On a 5-foot Ranger bed, keeping the floor open is everything, and this box does exactly that. It mounts over the wheel well and swings out nearly 180 degrees towards you at the tailgate, so your entire bed floor stays free for cargo. Holds up to 75 pounds. Locking lid, moisture seal, cup holders on top for tailgate sessions. Fully portable, unclip it and take it wherever you need it. Compatible with virtually all tonneau covers, installs in minutes, made in the USA. Nothing else works quite like it on a short bed. And that's the 5 best toolbox options for your Ford Ranger. From a simple budget crossover to a full drawer system built specifically for the 5-foot bed, every kind of Ranger owner is covered on this list. All the links are right there in the video description. Go find the one that fits your setup. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button. More Ranger content drops every week. Catch you in the next one.